that happened this Grand Prix so far, and we are going to start with qualifying session. And Mark is back after his injury with an amazing pole position. Let's go, provisional pole. I'm the fastest today. Nothing can stop me from. Hey, here comes the new rider. And now it's about time to talk about the sprint race. And we're going to start with a replay of the start. Maybe the race is long, but I can win the sprint without problems. Oh, where's the odometer when you need it? The only interesting thing we had during the race was all the girl chasing Bezzecchi, but fun was over really quick. This weekend you're not so fast, eh? Come here and hurry for your position! In that case, eat this! Acho, that was a dirty move! Hey Bezzecchi, yellow card for you! And Marquez won the sprint race! Let's see the replay at the end of the race with our minis! Hey, who thought I was going to win again? Woohoo! And if you want more, the next battle will be the race tomorrow. Let's ask that mini the weather for the Grand Prix.
Sun and hot temperatures. Summer is here, baby.
And what is your prediction for this race?
Third position for Marco, second position for Marquez, and victory for Acosta.
Thanks, Darwini, and that's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy the race and see you in the next one.